How to save TikTok drafts to camera roll. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so go ahead and open up your TikTok. And once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right. And once you are here, let's click on the draft section. And let's click on this draft to see how it's done.
How to remove saved.
Let's click next. Edit your draft if you want
How
to.
to remove
I'm
saved
just going
login.
to skip it for the sake of this video. Okay, once you are on this page right here, there are two options that you need to do. The first one is you need to enable the save to device option, and the second option is you need to set this video to only you. And once you have done that, click on post. Now what will happen is the video will be posted privately to your account, but also will be saved to your gallery. So let's go ahead and see that. Once the video has been posted, as you can see, it will be downloaded to the device. So let's go ahead and see that. As you can see, it's right here. It has been downloaded and it has been posted privately to your account, in which you can just change the privacy to public later on whenever you want to post it, and it will go live just like any other normal video on TikTok. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can save a TikTok draft to your gallery on your mobile device. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next